you would certainly have to meet people online. Again, if I didn't know anybody, then I would definitely master the web. One thing that's important, again, it comes down to leadership. They buy you before they buy your opportunity. So you have to brand yourself. It's very important to brand yourself. Spend some time. Put a nice presentation about yourself. Make sure you have a YouTube channel. Make sure you have a very good website about your leadership, about your company, whatever that company is. And if you have the resources to create a system, you show them that you're a professional and you have all that in place. And that's what I would do today. And now we used to, years ago, if you had asked me that same question 30 years ago, I'd say, Simon, you can put me in a parachute, drop me off anywhere you want. Wherever I land, I will build my way all the way back home. I would go into a restaurant where they got those fish bowls where everybody put their cards, and I walk in and say, hey, I'll pay for the meal. Give me the cards. And I'll start making phone calls, and I'll start meeting people. But today, again, principles don't change. The tools do. So today I would do it on the web.